In a quiet room where the nightlight glows, lives a teddy bear that everybody knows. Soft little paws and a stitched up smile. He's been your friend for a long, long while. When the moon climbs high and the stars shine bright, he whispers softly, it's sleep time tonight. Sleepytime Teddy Bear, don't you fear, I'll stay right here till the morning is near. Close your eyes, drift away, we'll dream together till the break of day. On fluffy clouds where the dream winds play, Teddy takes you far, far away. Over the hills and the twinkling streams, floating together on cozy dreams. With a gentle hug and a heart so true, every sweet dream begins with you. Sleepytime Teddy Bear, soft and kind, bringing sweet dreams to your sleepy mind. Snuggle in close, hold on tight, you're safe and warm through the night. Hush now, little one, don't you cry. Teddy is here right by your side. Through every shadow, through every light, he'll guard your dreams all through the night. Sleepytime Teddy Bear, lullaby friend, with you beside me the day gently ends. Wrapped in love we softly glide.